Good evening. We are from VerifAI, and we are building a startup idea based on protecting AI integrity, so ensuring data security, privacy, and compliance. Imagine a world where we can trust AI models to not only deliver results but to do in a way which is secure, transparent, and compliant with privacy regulations. As AI technology continues to evolve and penetrate every industry, there's one thing that everyone has doubts because trust is non-negotiable. But today, the trust is being questioned, especially when it comes to integrity and compliance. So how do we know that the data we are feeding into AI models is secure? How can we ensure that the outputs which these models are giving are not from bias or manipulation? So the problem. This is where, so the problem is there are trust issues in present AI models, where privacy, data integrity, and model transparency are not there. Apart from that, there's a lack of verification and sensitive data breaches. Recently, there were some AI data breaches where information which was stored in AI servers were breached and a lot of private information was leaked. And there's a rising demand for auditable AI. Like, for example, in government or institutions where data privacy is of utmost importance, they would like to have a verifiable audit trail so that if there's any breach or anything, they can go back and verify where the breach happened from. And our solution. So our solution is to track and verify data collection, processing from its input and output stage. So through multiple blockchains, which is where the omni-chain technology comes in, so that all the during all stages of AI, the user is transparent and compliant to the policy regulations of that specific place. Another advantage of this problem is that you have end-to-end privacy control. So AI outputs are compliant with the global privacy regulations, and like for example, EU has more stricter privacy regulations as compared to India. So by using multiple blockchains, we can have various compliant programs in AI models. Apart from that, and then decentralized trust, which is one more important thing, where no single entity controls the data and there's no overarching rule over the integrity of data.
So what sets us apart is that our unique selling points are immutable audit trails, cross-platform privacy compliance, real-time data verification, and scalable and adaptable. So we enable seamless auditing of data across multiple blockchains, ensuring that the data remains tamper-proof and verifiable in real time. So that's where Dojima comes in. Using its omni-chains, we can store the data in AI in different blockchains. And if a person wants to see what the data is being used in different blockchains that AI models has been used, we can use omni-chain there. Similarly, the scalability of this market is very huge. It has many cross-industry applicability, and its data sensitivity handling, its compliance across borders. I already mentioned that we have different protocols and different compliances across different nations. That's where we can use omni-chain, and also there's explosive growth in AI.
This can be used in every industry. It's not industry specific, because whichever industry uses AI for its processes can use our SaaS product on top of that to ensure compliance.
So one more thing that I've thought about of using omni-chain is, or Dojima's omni-chain is, that like if you start a new startup based upon AI chatbots and you want to get data, real-time data, and you don't have many users that can feed you data. So what you can do is, there are if the AI chatbots are trained on blockchain, and you also your AI chatbot stores data on a blockchain. So what we can use, we can use an omni-chain. So what happens through an omni-chain is that you collect your input data from different blockchains that the different AIs are using, and through that you can train your own chatbot, such that the data is very redundant. Is not redundant. It is very trustable. It is you can use it again.
When the output, our software ensures that the output of that chatbot, which is collecting from multiple blockchains, is reliable and again has data integrity in it. So, and following the compliance of that specific region. Yes, sir. That's all.